Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Plant Fanatics. Today we're going to be talking about those pawpaw seeds again, so stay tuned. So I was in the laundry room doing my laundry the other day, which is good, right? And I opened the cabinet to find the pawpaw seeds that I had put in there, and I completely forgot about them since I made the last video. And what I saw blew my mind for this method, because the pawpaws in the greenhouse that I have in the pots and stuff over here, there's not a whole lot going on. You can see a couple of roots in this bigger pot here and absolutely no roots in any of these. But when I open that cabinet, let me just go ahead and show you what I found. Well, first of all, just right through the bag, look at that. Look at all of those roots. And not just the main taproot, but all the little hair roots as well. And this was done on January 8th. All of these seeds were started at the exact same time. But I mean, look at that. Even just right in there in the bag, this seed is moving around because of how vigorous the roots are in here. Okay. Look at that, guys. I can't even open this paper towel all the way because of these roots. They're just growing everywhere. There's a little bit of mold on these seeds, which I can take care of. Just wash them off a little bit before I pot them up. But is that not unbelievable? This is by far the best method of doing this, in my opinion. And I haven't potted these up yet, but I'm sure they're going to take off once I put them in the soil. And I can't be sure what the reasons are. I don't know what's going on over here. These have a heat mat. It's a temperature-controlled greenhouse. So these seeds are never falling below 70 degrees. I have no idea what's going on, but these are doing way better. I mean, those are unbelievable roots. And you guys saw in the footage what these were looking like. It's almost non-existent. So, in my opinion, if you're going to start pawpaw seeds, this is the best method. If you haven't watched my other video about when I'm putting these in this paper towel, I will link that in the description. Check it out. But the results speak for themselves. I'm going to be doing it this way from now on, especially if once I put them in the soil, they just take off. This is unbelievable. So stay tuned for more updates on these pawpaw seeds. Like I said, paper towel method by far is taking the cake. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a like and share with any of your friends who are wanting to start pawpaw seeds or have started pawpaw seeds and are going to do it in the future. Thanks for watching the video, guys.